You'll find the headlight control switch on the left side of the instrument panel. Turn the control to the first position for parking lights. Turn to the second position for headlights. You can also turn the control to the auto position. In this position, the headlights will turn on or off automatically based on the surrounding light levels. The dimmer control switch controls your instrument panel lights and interior lighting, with the parking lights or headlights on, or with the switch in the auto position, rotate the dimmer control up to adjust the brightness of the instrument panel lights. Rotate to the next position to adjust odometer and radio brightness. Rotate to the last position to turn on the interior lighting. To activate the front fog lights, turn on the parking lights or the low beam headlights, or with the switch in the auto position, push in the headlight control switch. Push the control a second time to turn the fog lights off. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.